Hi students, part 3 conditional probability, question number 12. Here an instructor has a question bank with 300 easy true false and 200 difficult true false. Here this is easy, it is difficult. This is true false, this is MCQ. Two types of questions. Easy MCQ is easy true false is 300 and difficult true false is 200. Easy MCQ is 500 and difficult MCQ is 400. The total here is 900 and here is total 500. That is total is 1400. That is MCQ and difficult, easy and difficult MCQ total is 1400. We have to find if the question is selected random from the question bank, what is the probability of easy MCQ? Let A be the easy MCQ and B be the MCQ. So here easy MCQ is 500. That is PA equals to 500 by 1400. And MCQ is 900. MCQ is PB is 900 by 1400. We have to find, it is given, B is given, you have to find P, A stroke B. This is by conditional probability. P A stroke B. You have to find P A. You have to find what is the probability of easy MCQ and given B. It's given MCQ is this. So here P A cap B. That is P A cap B over P B. Here P A cap B. A is this, B is this. What is the common thing? That is 500 and 900. That is P A cap B is 500 by 1400. P A cap B is 500 by 1400 because easy MCQ is 500 and easy MCQ is 500. Easy MCQ is 500. Total MCQ is 900. Therefore A cap B is 500. That is the common of this. A cap B is 500. So here put it here. That is A cap B is 500 by 1400 and PB is 900 by 1400. That is 5 by 9. That is the probability of easy MCQ given its MCQ. Next, sum number 13. Sum number 13. A die is rolled. It is given outcome. Is given outcome is an even number. So here A's die means is total sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is total sample space. Total outcome. And B is given even number. Out of this B is 2, 4, 6. This is even number given. Even number. Given outcome is even number. What is the probability of this prime number? Let B is the even number. So cardinal number of B equals to 3 and let A is the prime number. That is A equals to prime number 1, 2, prime number is 2. Prime number is 2, 3, 5. So cardinal number of A is 3. That is PA. PA is 3 by 6. That is half. And PB is 3 by 6, that is half, and PA is 3 by 6, that is half, and A cap B, this is common, A cap B, that is 2. So PA cap B is 1 by 6, because single number, that is 1 by 6. We have to find PB by A, because we have to find what is the probability prime number. Prime number is probability is prime number. Prime number is A. What is the probability? Given is even number. That is even number is given B. So that is A by B. What is the probability of A be the here? A given outcome is even number. So even number is B given. B is the even number and let A be the prime number. What is the probability is prime number? Prime number probability is asking, that is PA stroke B. So P A cap B by PB. PA cap B is 1 by 6 and PB is 1 by 2. That is 1 by 6 into 2 by 1, that is 1 by 3. That is by conditional probability, given outcome is even number. Even number is given, that is B is given. And what is the probability is prime number. Prime number is A, that is PA by B. It is prime number and it is given. Now, next sum number 14. A die is thrown, some question number 14. A die is thrown. A die is thrown twice. And the sum of number observed is 8. What is the conditional probability? What is the conditional probability that the number 5 has appeared at least once? Here A be the event, what is the probability the number 5 has appeared at least one, and a die is thrown at the sum of his number. Sum of his number observed is 5, and what is it is given. So A equals to sum is observed. Here A is sum is 8. That is sum is 8. What will be that? 2 6 6 2 3 5 5 3 4 4. This will be whose sum is 8, and B is 5 appears at least one. 5 appears at least once. That is 5 appears one, that should be 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Then 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 6 4 5 5 6 6 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So here total sample space is, here cardinal number of A is 5 and cardinal number of B is 11 and cardinal number of A cat B. Look here, B is 5 3 3 5, here is 5 3 and 3 5. This is common. So that's cardinal number is A cap B is 2. We have to find what is the probability, that number 5 appears, that is B. P B by A we have to find. That is what is the probability that number 5 appeared at least one, that is P B is asking. B is 5 appears at least first and A is given. So P B by A is P A cap B by P A. That is P A cap B. Here, therefore P A is 5. P A is 5 and yet P B is 11. We can write this cardinal number is 5 and this cardinal number is 6. So PA is 5 by 36. Total sample space here S is 36 because S is 36 because 1 1 2 2, that is total sample space is 36 and P A is 36, B cap A or A cap B, B cap A is 2 by 36. Put it here, 2 by 36 by 5 by 36, that is 2 by 5. Next sum number 15. In an exam, question number 15. In an exam, 30% failed. 30% fail in maths. 20% failed in chemistry. And 10% failed in both. What is the probability? What is the probability that the student has failed in maths if it is known that he has failed in chemistry, he has failed in chemistry. So here 30% failed in maths, 20% failed in chemistry. This is given. You have to find what is the known as is failed in chemistry and what is the probability to has failed in maths. Let here PM here 30 by 100. PM maths, probability of maths is 30 by 100. P chemistry is 20 by 100, that is 0.3, that is 0.2, and P M cap C is 1 by 100, that is 0.1. Here you have to find P M stroke C, that is probability of maths is asking and chemistry is given by conditional probability, that is P M cap C by PC. P M cap C is 0.1 and P M cap C and PC is 0.2, that is 0.1 by 0.2, that is half, that is 0.5. That is the probability of conditional probability of M stroke C by M by C. Next, sum number 16. Here, question number 16. Random tossing of 2 coins. A getting 2 head and B getting at least 1 head. Find the probability. Find P A by B. Here A is getting 2 heads. So A is getting 2 heads. That it may be 2 heads. A is getting 2 heads. Here S is total sample space HH, tail, head, tail. Total sample space, and B is given at least 1 head means come se come, minimum 1 head, that is head tail head or head. At least 1 head means come se come 1 head, that is it may be 1, it may be 2. So here A cap B is head, that is head. So here PA is 1 by 4, total sample space is 4, and PB is 3 by 4, and PA cap B is 1 by 4. We have to find PA by BA stroke B, that is PA cap B over PB. PA cap B is 1 by 4 and PB is 3 by 4. That is 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. That is 1 by 3. So probability of A by B, here A is getting probability of getting 2 heads. What is the probability of getting 2 heads when at least 1 head is given? Minimum at least 1 head is given. It is given and it is you have to find. Probability of 2 head is PA by B means probability of A is you have to find when B is given. And that's all. And please make a note of the sums. And if you like my videos, thank you. Subscribe my videos, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.